As sales managers, we have full responsibility to get new hires to revenue and then to full productivity. The faster you can do both, the better. When you get a new hire to revenue super fast, morale skyrockets on the team. Of course, that salesperson is delighted. Just picture the conversation at the dinner table with their spouse that evening. I closed my first sale. From there, getting them to full productivity, which often takes 9, 12, even more months at SaaS companies, is imperative. There are ways you can do it much faster though. In most SaaS companies where you're selling medium complex software, you should be able to get new hires to revenue in 60 days and to full productivity by 12 months at the latest. There are best practices. Double down on best practices. Invest the time, invest the resources. This is not an area where you want to cut any corners. Again, across the board, everyone wins. All of a sudden, everyone's making money. When everyone's making money, everyone's happy. Also, you drive friendly competition among the sales team. So, key takeaway, get to revenue, get to productivity as fast as possible. Feel free to contact me if you'd like to strategize ways that you could improve the time to revenue and new hire productivity at your company.